Hello friends, Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you celebrated well. Today I have an unboxing video for you, a Porsche Targa from Popris in a 64 scale. I will try to make my unboxing videos as short as possible. I opened it while talking. Take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Every like supports me and my work. Thank you. Let's take it out. The underside. Nice. Looks like the sweater my grandma gave me last week. Let's take a closer look at the model. Really unique paintwork, but not everyone will like it. It's just a matter of taste. The level of detail almost comes close to tarmac works. I don't know about you, but I love Porsche. I love their design and shape. Can you see the Targa lettering? The interior looks good too. I definitely like it. I think the best thing about the model is the rims. They are really well chosen and look very realistic. What is your opinion about this model? Please write it to me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.